But what I wonder more is why GKN all the time focus so strongly on digitalization. Could you explain?
Yeah, of course. And well, I'm with PM just for a couple of years, and obviously their journey started already 10, 15 years ago. So their digital journey was even before my time, but that's part of the digital culture of PM. So they have been always focusing to get transparency, to get good data out of the system. So over the past year, they have been investing in IT system, connecting the machines, connecting our quality stations, implementing IT solutions, even connecting our people, and all with the purpose that we get real-time insights, that we get transparency, we can understand where there are performance losses, and that overall we are moving quicker in developing new solutions. And that's where we are. And as we strongly believe in this digital culture, we now would like even to move further. So out of this IoT journey we have completed already, we would like to move now to the next level, which is the so-called Internet of Behavior. So not just to use data for transparency and taking action, but even using data to trigger the behavior of the organizations. So the next challenge for us is that we look into gamification, we look into digital challenges, because that's triggering this behavior. So a new area, but I'm convinced that with this digital culture we have developed over the past year, we will be able to gather even more value out of the data and to develop new solutions for our customers, for PM, for our shareholders, for our employees.
Thank you, very interesting. Paul, now I want to come to the system, and I imagine the industrialization of such a hydrogen energy system, the Hy2 system, is quite a big challenge. So can you tell us how the digital journey and the digitization really helps maybe to shorten, to improve the development? Could you tell us about this?
Yeah, actually you touched already the point, and I think the straight and plain answer forward is speed, yeah? Because digital solutions, digital data, what it really does, it speeds up the processes, because as explained before, it helps to understand where the problem is, it helps to get insights and to immediately move into an improvement cycle. And you mentioned it, this Hy2 system, it has complexity in itself, because you have to bring together different elements, so it's quite key that you have such a digital landscape, to support this industrialization cycle. So same effort we put in industrializing the hardware, we also did the same for the digital solution. So we have implemented sensors, we have really worked on edge solution to take out the data, to move it into our cloud, and then once we have it there, we could then run the analysis, and that helped us then also to find the problems, but then even go further to develop new solutions and new services.
Okay, well, this is really interesting how the digitization speeds up developments and can support to improve systems further by data. And with this, it sounds like for me like the data is golden, so has a high value. Can you share maybe some examples on how the data we gathered, how they were used to improve the system today, and also give us a view on tomorrow?
Yeah, I really like this question, because that's what I really like to do, talk about tomorrow's future, talk about customers' future, customer value. I would say that PM has a good history in it, because whenever what we did, we always have been focusing on designing our solution for tomorrow's future and for our tomorrow's customer. Yeah, so also on this one, what we did is also with this data, we started to develop certain solutions. You can now see on the screen a first, let's say this is the demo version of the app, but obviously there's also a live app. By the way, you can get access to this app by getting on our website or just scanning this QR code, and you will get an access to the demo. Once you buy our system, you obviously have then live data of your system. But this is just the starting point. So today we are in a phase to make our system smart, that you get as a customer real-time insight, you get the performance tracking and so on. But as we are collecting all the data of all our systems, we we learn, and that's obviously this learning, we turn it into some benefits. So the next level is obviously that we look into remote monitoring and control, we look into advanced performance management, and finally, as part of our digital vision, what we are really looking forward is a full customer service solution, or even going beyond then, looking to new business model like energy as a service. So if we think about this vision, we basically will develop tailored and personalized solutions for our customers powered by machine learning. So at the end, what we really would like to get is the best, the most smart, innovative energy management solution on the market. That's our vision.
That sounds really, really smart. Thank you for your insights. And well, I really think this will be a still ongoing, fascinating journey. And I'm really curious to learn more about your journey over the next coming months. And with this, we're at the end of the talk, and I hand over to Claudia again to studio.